Welcome back, guys, to Tech Balance. This is episode 4.0. It's about standard access list. I'm going to show you how to configure a standard access list. I hope you'll learn something by the end of this video. So we need a network. Let's create one. That's a router, and I need two PCs. The first PC and the second PC, and lastly a server. Now let's do some wire connection. PC 0 to interface gig 0100, PC 1 to interface gig 01, then lastly the server to interface gig 02. After that, let us label our IPs for easy follow-up. Okay, let's do now the labeling of the IP addresses. So this one is 10.0.0.2. This other one is 172.16.0.2, and lastly the server 192.168.0.3. Let's do the configuration of the IP addresses. PC 0, its IP address is 10.0.0.2, and its default gateway is 10.0.0.1. PC 1, its IP address is 172.16.0.2. Its default gateway is 172.16.0.1. And lastly, the server, its IP address is 192.168.0.3. Its default gateway is 192.168.0.1. We are done with the IP. Now let's configure the IPs for the interfaces, starting with gig 00. So enable config terminal interface gig 00. IP address is 10.0.0.1. Its subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. No shutdown. Let's configure the IP address of interface gig 01. The IP address is 172.16.0.1. The subnet mask is 255.255.0.0. No shut down. Let's configure now IP address for interface gig 02. IP address is 192.168.0.1. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. No shut down. We are now done with the IP configuration of the interfaces. Now let's assume PC0 is an administrator machine. The administrator is allowed to upload some materials to the server, but PC1 is a local user and they don't have any permission to upload anything to the server. So let's deny PC1 the rights to upload anything to the server, but give the administrator PC, which is PC0, the rights to upload anything to the server. And this is where the standard access list comes in, and this is how it is configured. So we configure it with the following commands. Let's create the access list. Access lists 1 permit. Let's permit PC 10.0.0.2. Its wildcard mask is 0.255.255.255. Let's deny the other PC, that is PC1, the rights. So access lists deny access list 1 deny. Its IP address is 172.16.0.2. Its wildcard mask is 0.0.255.255. We have created the access list. Now it's time to apply it to the interface which is nearest to the destination, and that interface is gig 02 over here. So let us apply the access list on the interface gig 02. So this is how we do it. Interface gig 02. IP access group 1 out. We've just finished the configuration of the access list let's now try and see if it's working, if the configuration was successful. Okay, if the configuration was successful, when we ping the server from PC0, we should find that there is data, that some data is flowing through. But when we ping from PC1, we should find that there is no data passing through. Okay, so let's try pinging. So ping 192.168.0.3. As you can see, data is passing through when we ping from PC0, which is the administrator's machine. So let's try pinging from PC1. What we expect is a notification that destination host cannot be found. So let's try ping 192.168.0.3. I'll see destination host unreachable. So we cannot upload anything to the server from PC1, meaning that the access list, the standard access list control has been successfully configured. And that's how it's done, guys. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your time. See you in the next one.